It's that time of year again when the high school entrance exams are over and new students are preparing to start school, leading to a peak in phone purchases. If you're looking for a compact yet reliable phone with performance that's great for breaks and relaxation, while also being eye-friendly and having long battery life, then take a look at the OnePlus 15T. In my opinion, it's the best small-screen flagship phone for students. 100W port. The green case matching the body color of this relaxed matcha color scheme is indeed very rare in the entire mobile gaming circle. It makes the color richer and truly has the feel of matcha. Of course, buying white is also a perfect choice. It's very fresh and elegant. The AG frosted back cover and the fingerprint-resistant metal frame still have a very good texture. This is a very exquisite small-screen phone. It's a bit like a smaller version of the 115 with the ultra-wide-angle lens cut off. The feel of using it without a case is the best because its bezel position is just right. In addition, the ultimate internal stacking optimization also makes the protrusion control quite good. The feel of playing games in landscape mode is amazing. There is no seesaw phenomenon when it is placed flat on the table. The screen of the 15T still continues the 6.3-inch LTPS screen of the 13T. The biggest surprise is the 1.1mm ultra-narrow 4-equal bezels. Wow, it's really pleasing to the eye. I guess there is only one other small screen that can achieve such a narrow bezel. The second biggest surprise is the addition of ultrasonic fingerprint sensors to the toe cap, making the shoe experience completely seamless. The AS6's 165Hz refresh rate of the AS6's 6206 series is a hallmark of IKEA, and it doesn't even use the same high-frequency dimming hardware as the AS53840, a special Indonesian dark mode display. It's touted as a student phone that can effectively handle long hours of online classes, browsing course materials, and watching dramas after class. Its performance is top of the line, boasting a 5th-generation Snapdragon 8 Ultra processor with an Antutu score of 4.02 million and a VC score of 5150. Furthermore, the IKEA-style game kernel covers 6 major categories of mainstream mobile games with an original 165 frames per second. Its advantages are indeed very strong. From the 115 to the 15T, the smaller size hasn't affected the gaming experience. Moreover, the biggest feature of the 115T is that it packs a 7,500 mAh battery into a tiny car. Keep in mind the 115 only has 7,300 mAh. With a SIM card inserted, it can be used as a main phone for over 8 hours of screen on time after some use. That's truly terrifying. The smaller screen size results in lower power consumption, which is fantastic and perfectly solves students' battery anxiety for daily classes, commutes, and leisure entertainment. It's a top-performing phone in terms of battery life among student phone recommendations. With a combination of 100W wired and 50W wireless charging, it charges 25% in 10 minutes and fully charges the 7,500 mAh battery in about 50 minutes, truly impressive. It also addresses the lack of wireless charging in the previous 13T model, making it a truly all-around flagship phone. Water resistance is maxed out at IP666, 8696, and 9K. The main camera is a 50MP MX906, upgraded from 2x to 3.5x zoom in the 85mm telephoto lens, and the zoom ring has been improved to 7x lossless zoom, a truly epic upgrade. It also features loose light gathering imaging. If I had to choose between a super wide-angle lens and a telephoto lens, I would unhesitatingly choose the telephoto lens. In the past 2 years, only OnePlus's small-screen phones have focused on performance. This year, they've added the Money King to the lineup, making it a high-performance student phone with excellent imaging capabilities. Search 115TT on major e-commerce platforms. Canadian subsidies offer up to 800 yuan off, bringing the price down to 3,499 yuan. Trade-in subsidies are up to 1,200 yuan, and you can also enjoy a caring service package including free fuel and free window tinting. There's also a limited edition Future 4 Gold package for students worth 399 yuan. Okay, that's all for this 15th installment. Performance and battery life surpass large screens. A complete small screen